Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your English Literature class for the student of class 2. So let's get started our class. Okay, it is half yearly term, subject English Literature, Lecture 4, homework number 4, topic make sentence and question answer from Unit 2. Okay. So let's get started. At first we will start make sentence. Student, you know in previous class we have already discussed Unit 2. From Unit 2 I will give you, I will provide you some make sentence and question answer. First make sentence number 1, sell. Okay, a farmer had some puppies for sale. A farmer had some puppies for sale. Number 2, whistle. The farmer whistled to call the dogs. Whistle. The farmer whistled to call the dogs. Number 3, kennel. The puppies came out of their kennel. The puppies came out of their kennel. And number 4, fur. The dogs had brown fur. The dogs had brown fur. Dear student, I have given here 4 make sentence. Okay, if you want you can make your own make sentence with this given words. Okay, but your make sentence, when you will write your make sentence, okay, it will be in correct sentences. Okay, now come to the next point, question answer. Number 1, what did the farmer's sign say? Answer, the farmer's sign said sweet puppies for sale. Here number 1, in the question you will get here did. Okay, after WH question you will get here did, so that means it is a first form sentences. So when you write your answer, the farmer's sign said. Okay, say will be change into a said. Okay, because past form of say is said. So when you get did here in your question, you have to change this from said. The farmer's sign said sweet puppies for sale. Number 2, how much money did the little girl have? The little girl had a handful of coins. At the same way, when you get here again, okay, did, okay, in your question, here have will be changed into had. Okay, it is a past form of had. So write here had. The little girl had a handful of coins. Number 3, who was Dolly? Dolly was the mother of 5 little puppies. Dolly was the mother of 5 little puppies. Number 4, what did the puppies look like? The puppies looked like lovely little balls of fur. Again, here we can see here did. Okay, in your questions, what did the puppies look like? So the puppies looked. You have to add ed after look. Okay, it is a past form of look. Okay, number 5, which puppy did the little girl choose? The little girl chose the smallest puppy. Which puppy did the little girl choose? The little girl chose the smallest puppy. At the same way, you will get here did, and you have to write here choose, because the past form of choose is choose, CHOAC, only one O. Okay, CHOAC, choose. Okay, now I am repeating this. Number 1, make sentence, sell. A farmer had some puppies for sale. Number 2, whistle. The farmer whistled to call the dogs. Number 3, kennel. The puppies came out of their kennel. Number 4, fur. The dogs had brown fur. And now question answer. Number 1, what did the farmer's sign say? The farmer's sign said sweet puppies for sale. Number 2, how much money did the little girl have? Answer, the little girl had a handful of coins. Number 3, who was Dolly? Dolly was the mother of 5 little puppies. Number 4, what did the puppies look like? The puppies looked like lovely little balls of fur. Number 5, which puppy did the little girl choose? The little girl chose the smallest puppy. Now student, this is have a look on this topic. This is the homework number 4, and topic question answer. When you write your SW, that means the homework, on your copy, you have to write only answer, no need to pick up the questions. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic. do your homework at home and submit it next Saturday. Thank you all of you.